Today we have a little bit of old laptop. This is HP 250 G5. Problem with the laptop: Wi-Fi. The Wi-Fi key stays orange. Customer made a fresh install. Same story. The Wi-Fi is not visible in device manager. So we have two options. Probably the Wi-Fi card is dead, or the Wi-Fi card is missing at all. So I have to replace the Wi-Fi card, so I decided to make a quick video. So let's start. We're gonna remove all the screws on the back. We have to leave the keyboard, and after that we have to why this is stuck, yeah. And after that we have to lift the upper plastic. So let's start. All the screws on this side should be the same, I think, except the ones which are here. This is broken, probably somebody already opened it. There should be a screws under the rubber here, so let's check. Someone glue it, because here is moving. Yeah. Actually it is broken, so that's not a good sign. Okay, the other one. Yeah, the other one is fine. Those screws are a little bit longer. Now I think we have to remove this one because there may be a screw under, I don't remember. So we're gonna put a little pressure on this and we'll try to remove the screw. Yeah, like this. No screws. Okay, so right now we're gonna take out the optical drive. We have two small screws here. Now we're gonna flip the laptop. We have to remove the keyboard. We're gonna use something sharp and we'll try to lift it. Like this. We have to unplug the cable. We have two cables here. One is for the power button and the other one is for the touchpad, I guess. We have 4 screws here, same size. This thing is with I think a Celeron CPU. It may not have a cooler, but customer wants it fixed, so now we'll try to separate the plastic. Use something sharp again. Should be here, yeah. It's out. Now we have this broken rivet here. Now that's the Wi-Fi card. Strangely, we have only one antenna here. Now let's remove the Wi-Fi card. Yeah, no fan, like I said. That's the model is RT3290. Let me check what I have here. I think I have something similar. This one is from HP also. So we're gonna go with this one. We're gonna connect the keyboard. We're gonna connect the power button, and we're gonna try and power on the laptop to see will there be a blue light, or we have to check if the problem is elsewhere. We don't need a keyboard, but let's just connect it so we can see the diode. Like this. Let me put the charger. The laptop is a little bit slow, so it may take a while to power on. Pressing the power button, the laptop is coming on. Let's wait for the Windows. Windows is loading, and we already have the blue light here. Now the laptop started. As you can see, we have the blue light. Also, we have the Wi-Fi networks here. So pretty much the problem was with the Wi-Fi card. Now the only thing I gotta do, I have to put all the screws back, but since I'm in a hurry, I'm gonna stop the video for now. So if you have a problem with HP laptops, not only HP, but usually if the Wi-Fi doesn't work, and you try everything related to the software like drivers and some hotkey software, the Wi-Fi card may be just faulty. It's an old laptop. Sometimes the cards are getting overheating and they just die. So pretty much you replace the card. It's a standard card, nothing special. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video. Bye bye.